Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Yuki, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, yeah. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Christmas makeup look. I have no idea what I want to do just yet. I'm kind of in between. Should I do like a wearable look or like a extra AF Christmas auntie? You know the one, that one auntie just fly for no reason, stepping on necks everywhere she goes. That one auntie who slides you some money like in a pretend handshake and makes sure to let you know to not tell your parents so that they don't end up taking the money and spending it on themselves. That was very descriptive. The auntie that all the younger ones are cool with. She's just it. I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye and then we'll come back and I'll zoom you guys in. We'll do the other eye together. All right, guys, one eye has been done and I'm absolutely petrified. I don't know if it's gonna look good. Hopefully everything ties in together once my entire face has been done. I had to take off the makeup off the eye, start all over again, and even then I didn't quite get the blend I wanted, so hopefully this all works out. Morphe eyelid primer, and I think you already know what palette I'm going to use just by the simple fact that I'm using an actual eyelid primer. I'm going to be going into this James Charles and Morphe palette. I'm going to be using this white shade right here. The shade is called Flashback, and I'm placing it right in here. I'm going to use this brush right here to just kind of blend it out. Blend out the edge of that. And this was about as white as I could get the other eye as well. Next, I'm gonna take this green shade called Daddy. Go out till we get about there. I think that's a good spot. And then I'm gonna take my Sigma Blending E36 brush. I'm gonna tap into the shade Daddy and then pat on the shade to the perimeter of the eyeshadow. This is the original Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. And I take this shade right here. And this kind of acts a bit as my blender slash eraser. I'm going to be going in and out of the shadows repetitively. Next, I'm taking the matte red shade called You're Kidding right in the corner over here. Taking another E36 brush, tapping into You're Kidding, and then working that onto the perimeter. And I'm just stamping. A lot of these are pigments and not eyeshadows, so they're just not gonna blend the way normal eyeshadows would. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth in between the two shades, packing on, blending as much as I can, because these are not necessarily eyeshadows that are close together on the color wheels, so they're just not gonna get a seamless blend as like a yellow and an orange and a red. Going back in with this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. This is a shade that's pretty close to my skin tone. That's why I'm choosing this as my transition up top. Then going back in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna take this shade here and pack that on right in here and then just kind of blend that in. Then taking this shade here, also from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and pack this on right in the outer corner and then blend upwards. And because I lost some of those pigments, I'm going to go back in and deepen them up. All right, so I went back in and I added each color wherever I felt like I needed some more. I'm now going to cut the crease using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is the shade C1, by the way. Sorry I'm really quiet, you guys. I'm in concentration mode right now. I'm going back in with You're Kidding and packing that onto the inner portion of the cut crease. And I'm just gonna kind of create like a full arch with the red shade. And then going back in with the shade called Your Daddy. With the shade called Daddy, I'm just placing that right in here to the center of the cut crease. And then take that brush I used for You're Kidding and lightly tap that in between these two. And take my makeup wipe and create a line, a shot line. I'm gonna go back in with Flashback, pack this on, shoot. I was supposed to do this before cleaning up. Whoops. Blend between the two. The only reason I'm about to do this step is because I did the same step on the other eye and I don't know if they would come out the same, but you can actually skip this step just because I was experimenting, but then I didn't like it, so I decided to opt for a glitter liner, and I placed the other glitter liner on top of this white line, but the white line only extends through about like half of the cut crease, so I think I stopped about here. All right, so that was just a white line. Next, I'm taking this Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner. This one is in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm going to line around the cut crease with this. Oh my god, I just messed up. That was an epic fail. Look at that. What the heck, dude? Yeah, that means I have to figure something out on how to fix that. And I'm just going over the white eyeliner as well. And you will have to go over that several times. So I went and grabbed a Q-tip. Let's see if this will work. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take some of the eyelid primer onto a Q-tip and then go back in with your Kidding. And voila, you can barely tell. I'm gonna line my waterline with a white eyeliner. With that same Morphe primer, I'm going to prime underneath the eye. Let's go back in with your Kidding and pack that on right below. And then back with this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Press that right on the lower lash line. And I do have other eyeshadows that are a darker red than this, but I wanted to try to use stuff that's easily accessible to you guys and palettes that most of you probably have, hence me using these two. Next, I'm gonna apply mascara and then just lining my eyes with some black eyeliner. I really don't feel like a wing is necessary with this look. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then we'll come back and finish this off. This is the NARS foundation, by the way, Natural Radiant Longwear. I got the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealers the other day. They were buy one, get one 50% off at Walgreens. So I picked up the colors Tan and Hazelnut. This will be my first time trying this concealer. The little foam applicator scares the heck out of me though. Hazelnut is too close to my skin tone. Let's use Tan. The foam applicator is really creeping me out, especially when you start to see the product peek through. Ugh. So I paid $9.99 for one and then $4.99 for the other. And this is why I don't like applying the under eye shadow first before concealer. All right, my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 35 Deep. Add a little bit more of the liner because it's kind of missing in action right in this section here. For the inner corner, what do I want to use? Let's try this one right here. Oh, these have names. Whoops. It's called Obsessed. I'm gonna be using these lashes right here. And I got these from the Makeup Shack. All right, guys, this lash is basically coming off. The other lash is also coming off. This is why I do not mess with Duo, okay? I couldn't find my other lash glue. For highlighter, I have on the Official Glam Beauty Pressed Highlighter in Drippin'. And for lips, I use, where's it go? For lips, I used my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Wait, that's not it. Can't find that. All right. And I also used Hank & Henry Lip Aesthetic Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mentirosa. Mentirosa, mentirosa, mentirosa. Every time I say that, I'm gonna sing that song. I did use a chance to double this video up and film the fuller lips without filler video, so that should be coming soon and you guys will see how this exact lip was achieved and how I did that. So here we have the final look, you guys. What do you think? Very extra, so extra. Let me go pull out the fur. Hold on. I went ahead and pulled out the fur just to, you know, give you wealthy auntie vibes or whatever. The auntie that slides you money without your parents knowing. The auntie that has all the new jams in her car. The wealthy auntie that can't be bothered with any drama. She's just there at the Christmas dinner, the holiday parties, just flipping her hair, eating a light meal, some salad, some lemon water, some Voss, you know, just the wealthy people things of life. Anyways, yes, this was a challenging look for me. I very much was gonna just wipe off that eye and just go to sleep. But I feel like everything ended up kind of tying together. It is a very creative look, but this is the first Christmas look of its kind that I've ever done on my channel. I usually just stick to that classic holiday look with the red lips and, you know, the nude, not nude, but the nude eye, possibly a cut crease eye, maybe a little bit of browns going on. I'm sorry, I look like I should be somebody's wife. Okay, like, yes, anything for you, darling. Okay, that's enough. There's like little pieces of fur going all over the place. You guys can't see it. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs thumbs up, and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed and you want to join the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell and click all notifications so that you never ever miss a post of mine. Also follow me on Instagram. I've got looks and things for you over there. My username is Yuki_, that's YOUKEYY_. Thank you once again for hanging out with me, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Baby, I got your money, don't you worry. I say, hey, oh, baby, I got your money. Baby, I got your money, don't you worry. Say, hey. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the bars. Mix and mingle in a gymnasty. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. Oh, it's hot in this coat here. Okay? It's faux fur, by the way, just in case you're wondering.